So today in cookbook, what I'm going to be making for you is a wonderful cheesy bread. Of course, I've taken this recipe and I've turned it around and now I'm changing it a little bit again. But then that's what you do when you get a book. You take a book, you read it, you try it once or twice, and then you change it to what you like. So we start with 250 grams of flour, 40 grams of butter. Now for the wet ingredients, I'm going to make a well like this in the center. Oof, I nearly missed the salt. Into this goes room temperature milk. Now this is very important, has to be room temperature. Into this goes 7 grams of instant yeast. And now into this goes 1 egg. Mix the egg. And now I'm just going to mix this all in. It may need just a little extra flour because it's too soft. Now that happens because we don't have standardized flour in this country, and because we don't have that, you always have to adjust the water and the flour. So I'm going to put this onto the table and I'm going to adjust it with my hands and adjust it with the feel of it. What I'm going to be doing now is taking a little oil in my hand. It's too much! Putting a little oil in it. The dough is not coming together even after adding a bit of flour. So a tablespoon or half a tablespoon of oil just makes a huge difference. Here, put it into this well-oiled bowl. Since this is a cheesy bread, I'm just going to put a little oil all around it. So it's nicely moving, which means it won't stick to the sides. So I'm going to be leaving this to proof for 40 minutes now. I'll have a coffee in the middle. Okay, our bread is proved. Take it out here. Try and make them about approximately the same size. In this pan, put a little oil and just rub it all over. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bread, add a little cheese, add some onion, just bring this bread together. Now that it's done, I'm going to leave this to cook for 20 minutes and then I'm going to bake it at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. So here it is, out of the oven. It's beautiful, look at the green. Basically cheesy bread for cheesy people.